Hello! Today is Friday, March 1st, 2019.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
I'm going to show you some pictures of what the wind did to where I live. So, here's the pictures, and let's get into the video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you want to see in my next video.
Havana, ooh, na, na. Hey. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. Hey. He took me back to East Atlanta, na, na, na. All of my heart is in Havana. Hey. There's something about
Windstorm video talking about it will be in the link below. So you might want to watch that video first before you watch this video. It's like part 2. So part 1, part 2.
That's on my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na.
That same day the windstorm happened, flooding started to happen. The water got so high that it started flooding roads and whatnot. I didn't get a picture of that because you weren't allowed to go down the road for safety reasons. So yeah, but we tried, but it didn't work out. So I only got one picture. That's where the boats launch off to go into the water, and that wasn't blocked off, so we got to go there, and I only got one picture. So thanks for watching my video. I know it was short. All my videos have been short lately. But if you guys comment in the videos what type of videos you want to see, it would help me a lot to prepare a video for you guys and make it longer and more interesting for you guys because you'll like what I'm posting. So I'm sorry that I haven't really had a lot of videos lately. I try posting at least once a week since I started working, and I just been super tired. But once I get some ideas of videos to post, I will make sure I have longer and better videos for you guys. One more thing, my YouTube Instagram link will also be below. Go check that out. There'll be pictures and videos of things throughout the week that happen, just little clips and stuff. So yeah, so I'm ending this video here as I have no more pictures, and like I said, go check out the first video of the windstorm, link below. So bye.